basically what I'm going to do for this cut is just score on this dashed line so it'll bend really easy on it, but I won't cut down too far to where the point where it'll weaken it a ton, but it should make the cut way cleaner. This is kind of a janky bending setup, but hopefully it'll get me a pretty even bend. Not sure if it'll work or not. Got those holes drilled, so let's go rivet it in after we drill those other holes. Just got the rest of the holes drilled and painted black, and it looks absolutely awesome. Let's go bolt it on. So the dash panel is all installed, and I think it looks awesome. I still need to get this USB port all soldered up to the 12-volt lines, but you have ignition, 12-volt main power switch, the headlight, and the bar light. And then I do have electric start on this. I don't have a battery hooked up, so I have to start it by hand. This thing starts up pretty well now. This thing hasn't ran in a couple days, so there you go. I turn this switch on and give it a little gas. It's pretty bright. You got these lower ones too, which I'm pretty sure these are bad because only so many LEDs light up on them. Once it has a battery in there, it'll be way brighter. And that's in 12-volt, and that's ignition. So, if I had electric start, I would just turn on the ignition in 12-volt and then press that to start right up. And that's just for LED lights and all that kind of stuff. But now it's way more solid. It's gonna take a beating, which that's just zip tied on there. I still need to make mounts so it can bolt in. But yeah, I think that looks so much better than the old one. So I think that's all for today. Click down in the description and go find my channel and to find other crazy stuff like this. This kind on the lower end, just building dash panels, so I had to make a video out of it. But yeah, that's all.